Jaga thaini jengzal no TIDC ni chairman te MD ni tangno khabre Rwjakmani party mungo Paithago High Court ni Dagimung bai Phiyogwi Rwjakha TIDC ni chairman te MD ni tangno skill development ni bagai tabaksak jora 2524 training khlaijaka industry ni samungo 8532 lukurokno Rwjakha ajimung phasalo secretariat kaisa kokthum pandaringi jaga thaini jengzal no tei dorbar Nokni Dagimung tei hasteni industry beremo sekangjak samung humung no tei koktuma thumnai rokno koktuma rikha TIDC ni secretary Bridges Pande.
Number one, that we have developed this year 2021-22 means last year, and it is a first installment and 3-year program, skill beneficiary upgradation for Weavers Center, and this has been done in consultation and in conjunction with the Government of India under the Samarth scheme. Total 600 weavers have been given the support. The fund released at the total project cost of 5 crores. 2 crores has already been spent. In addition to this, there is a project which we are developing through the Government of India for the intensive voltaic sericulture development, that is for the sericulture in 5 blocks at a cost of 31 crores, out of which Government of India's share is 27.64 crores. We have identified 1100 beneficiaries under this project and have spent almost 50% of this amount with training of around, in 2 phases, with training of around total number of people that we have trained is close to around 400 people already. So this is the total detail that we have brought out. We are also now going to employ, and we have come out with an employment prospect for ITIs where 16 supervisors are going to be employed very soon, and in ITIs any other trade that is required, we will be bringing it up very soon. That is all I would like to say here. Thank you so much. If there are questions, I would like to take.